Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Flow. I am Maya.
And I am Ethan. We are very happy you are here today.
This lesson is for English listening practice. Listening helps you speak fast and fluently.
Yes, when you listen more, your brain learns English naturally.
Today, we will talk about daily life conversations.
You will listen, repeat, and feel confident.
Do not worry about mistakes. Just listen and enjoy.
Ethan, how was your morning today? My morning was good. I woke up early and made coffee.
That sounds nice. What did you do after that?
I checked my messages and prepared for this podcast. This is a normal daily conversation.
People often ask, "How was your morning?" or "How was your day?"
Let us explain some words.
Morning is the time after you wake up.
Woke up means you stopped sleeping.
Maya means you got ready.
Now listen and repeat naturally.
How was your morning?
My morning was good.
Again, listen carefully.
How was your morning?
My morning was good. I made coffee.
Great job. Listening and repeating helps your fluency.
Let's continue with another real-life conversation.
Imagine you meet a friend at school or work.
Hi, Ethan. How are you today?
Hi, Maya. I am fine. How about you?
I am doing great, thank you.
This is very common English.
How are you is a greeting.
I am fine means you feel okay.
How about you means you are asking back.
Now listen and repeat.
How are you today?
I am fine. How about you?
Again,
How are you today?
I am doing great.
Perfect. You are training your ear and your mouth.
Now let us talk about listening in daily life.
When you listen to English, your brain learns patterns.
For example, listen to this short story.
Yesterday, I went to the store. I bought some bread and milk. Then I came back home and cooked dinner.
Let us explain some words.
Store is a place where you buy things.
Bought is the past of buy.
Came back means returned.
Now listen and repeat the story slowly.
Yesterday, I went to the store.
I bought some bread and milk.
Then I came back home.
I cooked dinner.
Excellent. This is listening and shadowing practice.
Now we will do question and answer practice.
Listen to the question. Answer in your mind or out loud.
Where did Ethan go yesterday?
He went to the store.
What did he buy?
He bought bread and milk.
What did he do at home?
He cooked dinner.
Very good. Listening helps you understand fast.
Now we will practice a simple dialogue again.
This time, focus on listening carefully. Hi, Ethan. What are you doing?
I am listening to an English podcast
Why are you listening to it?
because I want to improve my fluency.
Let us explain some words.
Podcast is an audio show.
Improve means make better.
Fluency means speaking smoothly and easily.
Now repeat the key sentences.
I am listening to an English podcast.
I want to improve my fluency.
Again, listen and repeat.
I am listening to an English podcast.
I want to improve my fluency.
Great. You are learning like a native speaker.
Now, listen to another short daily story.
Today, I met my friend after work. We talked about movies and food. Then we walked in the park.
Let us explain some words.
Met is the past of meet.
Talked means spoke.
Walked means moved on foot.
Now repeat after us slowly.
Today, I met my friend.
We talked about movies and food.
Then we walked in the park.
Amazing. This is listening and shadowing practice.
Now question and answer again.
Who did Maya meet?
She met her friend.
What did they talk about?
They talked about movies and food.
Where did they walk?
They walked in the park.
You are doing great.
Remember, listening is the key to fluency.
Listen to English every day.
Listen to podcasts, videos, and songs.
Your brain will learn English naturally.
In the next part, we will practice longer conversations and real-life situations.
Keep listening, keep repeating. You are becoming fluent.
Welcome back. This is part 2 of our listening practice.
You are doing amazing. Keep listening and repeating with us.
In this part, we will practice longer conversations and real-life situations.
This will help your brain understand English faster.
Let's start with a conversation at a cafe.
Imagine you are ordering coffee.
Hi, Ethan. What would you like to drink?
I would like a cappuccino, please.
Would you like sugar or milk?
Yes, I would like some milk, but no sugar. This is common English in cafes.
Let us explain some words.
Would like is a polite way to say want.
Please is a polite word.
Sugar is sweet powder.
Milk is white drink from cows. Now listen and repeat naturally.
I would like a cappuccino, please.
I would like some milk, but no sugar.
Again,
I would like a cappuccino, please.
I would like some milk, but no sugar.
Great. Listening to polite English is very important.
Now let us practice a conversation at work or school.
Imagine you meet a classmate or colleague.
Hi, Maya. Did you finish the project?
Yes, I finished it this morning.
That is great. Can you send it to me?
Sure, I will send it now.
Let us explain some words.
Finish means complete.
Project means a big task or work.
Send means share by email or message.
Now listen and repeat.
Did you finish the project?
Yes, I finished it this morning.
Again.
Can you send it to me?
Sure, I will send it now.
Excellent. Your listening is getting better.
Now let us listen to a short daily story.
Today, I had a busy day. I had 2 meetings, answered many emails, and finished my work early. After work, I went home and watched a movie.
Let us explain some words.
Busy means you have a lot to do.
Meeting is a work talk with people.
Email is a digital message.
Finished early means done before the time.
Now listen and repeat slowly.
Today, I had a busy day.
I had 2 meetings.
I answered many emails.
I finished my work early.
After work, I went home.
I watched a movie.
Great job. This is powerful listening practice.
Now question and answer practice.
How was Ethan's day?
His day was busy.
What did he do after work?
He went home and watched a movie.
Your turn. Answer in your mind or out loud.
Now let's practice a conversation about plans.
Talking about plans is very common.
Maya, what are you doing this weekend?
I am going to visit my family.
That sounds nice. What about Sunday?
On Sunday, I will relax and read a book.
Let us explain some words.
Weekend is Saturday and Sunday.
Visit means go to see someone.
Relax means rest and feel calm.
Now listen and repeat. What are you doing this weekend?
I am going to visit my family.
Again.
On Sunday, I will relax and read a book.
Perfect.
Now we will practice shadowing with this conversation.
Repeat after us, clearly and naturally.
What are you doing this weekend?
I am going to visit my family.
That sounds nice.
On Sunday, I will relax and read a book.
Excellent. Shadowing helps your fluency very fast.
Now let us practice a phone conversation.
Phone English is very useful.
Hi, Maya. Are you at home?
Yes, I am at home. What's up?
Can we talk for a minute?
Sure, I am free now.
Let us explain some words.
At home means in your house.
For a minute means a short time.
Free means you have time.
Now listen and repeat. Are you at home?
Yes, I am at home.
Again. Can we talk for a minute?
Sure, I am free now.
Great. Now listen to another short story.
Last night, I cooked dinner with my sister. We made pasta and salad. After dinner, we talked and laughed.
Let us explain some words.
Last night means yesterday evening.
Cooked means made food.
Laughed means smiled and made happy sounds.
Now repeat slowly.
Last night I cooked dinner.
We made pasta and salad.
After dinner, we talked and laughed.
Excellent.
Now question and answer practice again.
When did Maya cook dinner?
Last night.
What did she make?
Pasta and salad.
What did they do after dinner?
They talked and laughed. You are doing very well.
Remember, listening is like training your ear.
The more you listen, the easier English becomes. Do not translate in your head, just listen and feel the meaning.
In the next part, we will practice real-life problems, opinions, and long conversations.
Keep listening, keep repeating. You are getting closer to fluency every minute. Welcome back to the final part of our listening practice.
You are doing great. If you are still listening, you are serious about improving your English.
In this part, we will practice real-life problems, opinions, and longer conversations.
This will help you understand natural English in daily life.
Maya, let's start with a conversation about a small problem.
Ethan, problems are very common in real conversations.
Hi, Ethan. I missed the bus this morning.
Oh no, what did you do?
I took a taxi, but it was expensive.
That happens. At least you arrived on time. Ethan, let us explain some words.
Missed means you did not catch something.
Ethan, bus is public transport.
Maya, taxi is a paid car ride.
Ethan, expensive means it costs a lot of money.
Now listen and repeat naturally.
Ethan, I missed the bus this morning.
Maya, I took a taxi, but it was expensive.
Ethan, again.
Maya, at least you arrived on time. Great. This is real English from daily life.
Ethan, now let us talk about opinions.
Maya, sharing opinions makes your English sound natural and confident.
Ethan, Maya, what do you think about learning English with podcasts?
Maya, I think it is very helpful and fun.
Ethan, I agree. Listening every day makes you fluent faster. Ethan, let us explain some words.
Maya, opinion is what you think.
Ethan, agree means you think the same.
Maya, helpful means useful. Now listen and repeat.
Ethan, what do you think about learning English with podcasts?
Maya, I think it is very helpful and fun.
Ethan, again.
Maya, listening every day makes you fluent faster. Excellent. Your listening skills are growing.
Ethan, now let us practice a longer real-life conversation.
Maya, hi Ethan. How was your day at work?
Ethan, it was busy but good. I finished my tasks early.
That's great. Did you do anything after work?
Ethan, yes, I went to the gym and cooked dinner.
That sounds productive. I watched a movie and relaxed.
Ethan, let us explain some words.
Maya, tasks means small jobs.
Ethan, gym is a place to exercise.
Maya, productive means you did many useful things. Now listen and repeat slowly.
Ethan, how was your day at work?
Maya, it was busy but good.
Ethan, I finished my tasks early.
Maya, I went to the gym and cooked dinner.
Ethan, I watched a movie and relaxed.
Perfect. This is natural daily English.
Ethan, now question and answer practice.
Maya, how was Ethan's day?
Ethan, it was busy but good.
Maya, what did he do after work?
Ethan, he went to the gym and cooked dinner.
Maya, what did she do?
Ethan, she watched a movie and relaxed.
Your turn. Answer in your own words.
Ethan, now we will do shadowing practice with the same conversation.
Maya, repeat after us, clearly and confidently.
Ethan, how was your day at work?
Maya, It was busy, but good.
Ethan, I finished my tasks early.
Maya, did you do anything after work?
Ethan, yes, I went to the gym and cooked dinner.
Maya, that sounds productive. I watched a movie and relaxed.
Amazing. Shadowing helps your brain speak automatically. Ethan, now listen to a longer short story.
Maya, last weekend I visited my parents. We had lunch together and talked for hours. In the evening, we watched TV and drank tea. It was a calm and happy day.
Ethan, let us explain some words.
Maya, weekend is Saturday and Sunday.
Ethan, parents are mother and father.
Maya, calm means peaceful and quiet. Now repeat slowly.
Ethan, last weekend I visited my parents.
Maya, we had lunch together.
Ethan, we talked for hours.
Maya, in the evening we watched TV and drank tea.
Ethan, it was a calm and happy day.
Great job.
Ethan, now question and answer practice again.
Maya, who did Maya visit?
Ethan, she visited her parents.
Maya, what did they do together?
Ethan, they had lunch and talked.
Maya, how was the day?
Ethan, it was calm and happy.
Excellent. You are improving fast.
Ethan, now let us practice useful listening phrases.
Maya, these phrases help you understand and respond.
Ethan, I see.
Maya, that makes sense.
Ethan, really?
Maya, that sounds good.
Ethan, let us explain.
Maya, I see means I understand.
Ethan, that makes sense means it's logical.
Maya, really? Shows surprise.
Ethan, that sounds good means you like the idea.
Now listen and repeat.
Ethan, I see.
Maya, that makes sense.
Ethan, really?
Maya, that sounds good. Use these when listening to others.
Ethan, now we will practice a short conversation using these phrases.
Maya, I started learning English with podcasts.
Ethan, really? That sounds good.
Maya, yes, listening every day helps me.
Ethan, I see. That makes sense.
Now repeat after us.
Ethan, really? That sounds good.
Maya, I see. That makes sense. Perfect. Remember, listening is the fastest way to improve fluency.
Ethan, your brain learns words, grammar, and rhythm naturally.
Maya, don't worry if you don't understand everything.
Ethan, just keep listening again and again.
Maya, you can listen while walking, cooking, or resting.
Ethan, English will become part of your life.
Maya, let's review key sentences from this lesson.
Ethan, I missed the bus this morning.
Maya, I took a taxi, but it was expensive.
Ethan, what do you think about learning English with podcasts?
Maya, I think it is very helpful and fun.
Ethan, how was your day at work?
Maya, it was busy, but good.
Ethan, I see. That makes sense.
Maya, really? Shows surprise.
Ethan, that sounds good.
Repeat these sentences every day.
Ethan, listening, repeating, and shadowing will make you fluent.
You are capable. You are smart. You can speak English.
Ethan, believe in yourself. Speak slowly. Speak clearly.
Ethan, thank you for listening to Easy English Flow. Maya, keep practicing, keep listening, keep speaking.
Ethan, we are proud of you.
Maya, see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.